of freedom is 2 here and the SSR value is 32, degree of freedom is 2. Next value you have to find out total sum of squares. SST value is, that is nothing but you have to find the square of each datas in the given table and find all the squares. So SST 6 squared minus 2 the whole squared minus 4 the whole squared 6 squared and so on, and minus correction factor. So the total value is 210. Correction factor is 0, so final value is 210. Now degrees of freedom for SST is number of entries is in the table minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, so 11 you are having. So SST value is 210 and degrees of freedom is 11. Now we found out SSC, SSR and SST values. Using these values, you have to find out SSE value. SSE equal to SST minus SSC plus SSR. Substitute all the values, then you get SSE equal to 136 and corresponding degrees of freedom is C minus 1 into R minus 1, that is you have 6. Now we put all the values in the ANOVA table. Already you have found out that SSC and this value is SSR and this value is SSE and the corresponding degrees of freedom. Now using these two values, you have to find out mean square between columns, mean square between rows and mean square of error. MSC formula is SSC divided by degrees of freedom, 42 divided by 3. So having 14, and MSR is equal to SSR divided by degrees of freedom. So 32 divided by 2, 16. And MSE is again 136 divided by 6. So 22.67. Now total values, sum of these three values is 210 and sum of these three values is 11. Now step 4, you have to calculate the F ratio. Two values you have to calculate for F. One is for salesman, another one is for season. So F salesman equal to MSC divided by MSE. MSC value is 14. 14 divided by MSE value is 22.67. So you have 14 by 22.67, that's equal to 0.62. And this is the formula to find out F. Okay. And in your book they are given that for this problem they are given MSE divided by MSC. Okay. But original formula is this, so you can follow this one. Now degrees of freedom for this one is gamma 1 is 3, that is number of rows. Gamma 2 is 6. Okay, so at the 5% level using the F distribution table you get the value is 4.76. So F calculated value is 0.62 and F tabulated value is 4.76. When you are comparing, this value is less than this F tabulated value. Therefore, H0 is accepted. Now, similarly for F season, you have to find out, that is MSR divided by MSE. MSR value 16 and MSE value is 22.67. So, you are getting 0.706. Again, here degrees of freedom is 2. Okay, gamma 1 is 2 and gamma 2 is 6. At 5% level, the F table value is 5.14. Therefore, F calculated is 0.706, F tabulated value is 5.14. This, when you are comparing, this value is F calculated value is less than the tabulated value. Therefore, H0 is accepted. So, this is the solution for the given problem. Okay, once again I repeated the procedure. First step is you have to set the null hypothesis, and step 2 is coding the given data. Then you have to find out the correction factor. t squared by n for both the factors. Okay, that is here in this problem salesman wise and season. For two factors you have to find out the correction factor. And step 3 is you have to calculate SSC, SSR, SST and their corresponding degrees of freedom. After getting these 3 values, you have to find out SSE and their corresponding degrees of freedom. Then finally you put all the values in the ANOVA table and you find MSC, MSR, MSE. Then the step 4, you have to calculate a ratio of F using the formula MSC divided by MSE and MSR divided by MSE. So if you have any doubt on these problems, you kindly ask me. Thank you, girls.